Yeah. We always complaining about how bad stuff is, folks. Complaining about a light bill. Hell, there's people that don't even got lights, you know. So I wanna tell everybody listening, man, embrace your struggle. Cause no matter what, man, true story, it could have been worse. Come on. I was going through some changes in my life, cussing and complaining every night, telling God the way He's
Seriously, because the thing is, what I was saying before, the reason I don't want to take the catheter out is because
then a voice from somewhere came to me and say, you got the audacity to fix your mouth to disrespect. How soon we forget. And he said, remember when you were sick and you got better. Remember I put your family back together. Remember I could have cut you off forever. So no matter how bad you think it hurts, it could have been worse. You could have been dead.